Okay, I have a serious problem. Comment down below if you can A, help me, B, do you suffer from the same problem I do? Loving beauty, makeup, skincare products, loving to shop online, and having a bad memory, not recalling what you already own and or bought? Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am soon to be 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stopped by because you're curious about some mystery add-ons I got from Boxycharm, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. So, I normally don't film Boxycharm add-ons. I usually get maybe one, possibly two. This one is stumping me. This box weighs, I don't know, 5 to 6 pounds. It is extremely heavy. I don't recall purchasing that many add-ons. Maybe I did. So let's just unbox it and see what I got. Also, don't mean to make anyone jealous. If anyone was curious what the Natasha Denona Peak palette looks like, I am wearing it. Do you like? This was nice. A little pricey, but I think looking good. All right, let's dig in and, like, I don't buy that many add-ons. Now, if it was FabFitFun, I'd be like, okay. But when it comes to BoxyCharm, I don't think I went ham, but maybe I did. What weighs 50 pounds that's in this box? Whoa. That is quite the haul. Alright, let's see what... Okay, so there are some liquidy things in here, which explains why it's so heavy. This is from Avant, a super expensive, really bougie brand, which I love and enjoy. And when I saw that they had a hyaluronic acid micellar water at a very discounted price, I'm like, yes. I did not realize it was blue. It kind of scares me to put something blue on my face, but there is item number one. All right, what is item number two, which is the main culprit of what is weighing down this box. This is very heavy. What is this? Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. And this is from Tony Moly. Oh, I stocked up, didn't I? Okay. Contains ceramide 5000 ppb. Nourishing and moisturizing multi-use toner for bouncy, mochi-like skin. What's mochi-like skin? Okay, so this should last quite a while. How many fluid ounces are in here? I'm going to guess at least 10 ounces, 12, I don't know. 500 milliliters. All right, next item. We do recall getting this. I love this brand, Dr. Brandt. I got this. This is a sleeping mask. I got this in a box, I don't know, several months ago. 6 months ago now. Loved it. And then when I saw it on the add-ons pop-up something, it was like $6 for a product that's regularly like 50, 60, I don't know. This was $6. And this is the second additional one I've purchased from an add-ons because I love it so much. All right, what else did I get? Ooh, Avant. Love this brand. What is this? 8-hour balance renewal sleeping mask. Okay, so I'm set on sleeping masks, but I can't resist such cheap, expensive skincare brands that are really discounted due to add-ons. Did I mention I have a shopping addiction? Anyways, do I need anything? No. Do I subscribe to 8 million beauty boxes? Yes. Do I have enough skincare and makeup to last me like 3 years if I didn't get another box? You bet. Do I still buy add-ons? Help. All right. Next item. I don't even recall buying this, but so I was shopping the pop-up and I was looking at the LUXIE and they were sold out. Thank God, because I would have bought them, not realizing I already bought this. Okay, I have a serious problem. Comment down below if you can A, help me, B, do you suffer from the same problem I do? Loving beauty, makeup, skincare products, loving to shop online, and having a bad memory, not recalling what you already own and or bought? Okay. Last. No, not even last. Next item. I do not recall buying this. Oh, maybe I do. Is this one? Oh, yes. So this is from Milk. It is the Kush. This is from Milk Makeup. I was ecstatic. This is a mascara. And I was, like, my mind was blown to see, for once, they had a waterproof mascara. Because I only wear waterproof. And I have never tried a product from Milk, so I am super curious. Let's undo the box here and see what the wand is all about. Wow, this is really heavy. This feels like metal. And this almost feels larger than a normal tube of mascara. It is. Here's my L'Oreal, and here is the Kush. Wow. I'm super excited. Okay. What does the... Ooh, it's fluffy. Although, it looked like it was brown. Oh no, it's black. It feels kind of dry. That's all that came out. Okay, well, I will be excited to give this mascara a try. All right, what else? Wow, this is the most add-ons I've purchased at one time, and I don't even recall half the stuff I bought. I almost bought this again yesterday. Oh my God. I did buy more in their pop-up sale. I bought some other things. I have a problem, but I'm glad I did, because this was like, I'm gonna say $4. But I almost bought this again. Okay, so this is what you got. If I paid $4, if I didn't pay $4 and it's now on the pop-up for $4, I'm gonna be pissed. But I figured, you know, 3 lip glosses, liquid lipsticks for $4, $6. That's a pretty good deal. Let's. Oh, and they smell like cake batter. Ooh, that's. The lightest color is pretty dark. Doesn't this look... So that's what it looks like there. Look at the swatch. Doesn't it look darker? No, the camera's not doing it justice. In real life, this looks lighter than it does on my hand. Okay, this one right here I know is too red. I'm going to set this aside for a future giveaway. And I've already lost the third item. Where did it go? Alright, so here is the other one I will swatch. Please don't be too dark. Okay. It's about the same darkness. Well, it's more a tone I would wear. Alright, so those two. Third one in red will be for future giveaway. There's one more item in this box, which is also liquidy. Ooh, it's also from Dr. Brandt. What is this? Spray Tonique Antioxidant. Antioxidant spray. Why do I always go for the first? My eye is drawn to the words that are in a foreign language. I don't know why. Maybe because they were bigger and more centered. This is an antioxidant spray toner. Wow, I'm stocked up on toners, but I love the fact that it's a spray. Okay. Give me your thoughts. Aside from me going ham, feel free to call me crazy, shopaholic, whatever. I deserve it. But for the actual items I got, what do you think? I'm going to list on the screen everything I bought, including what the normal MSRP is versus what I paid. So we can see Did I save a ton of money, which I'm sure I did? Will I enjoy these products? I hope so. All right, let me know. Thank you so much for watching a crazy, almost 54-year-old woman show her shopaholic habits. Leave some comments, give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's a fun roller coaster ride here on my channel. I would love for you to subscribe, and if you already are, thank you. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.